Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're talking about AI agents. You hear the term everywhere, right? So much hype. We're going to cut through all that noise and get straight to what matters. How you can take all that potential and turn it into actual, tangible results for your business. So, before we really dive in, let me introduce us. We're the team at WeblineIndia, and our whole world is about taking really complex tech and making it work for businesses as powerful, simple solutions. We've been doing this for a long time, right in the thick of it, helping companies figure out how to actually make new technologies work for them.
And when I say we've been in the thick of it, I mean it. Our expertise covers a huge range. Things like custom software development, mobile and web apps, and of course, AI and machine learning. We've been hands-on building out some really cool stuff, from sophisticated agentic AI solutions to powerful end-to-end workflows for business process automation. And that's exactly the kind of real-world experience we want to share with you today.
All right, so let's get right to it. Forget the sci-fi headlines for a second. Have you ever seriously asked yourself, what could AI agents really do for my business? I mean, not some far-off future idea, but what impact could they have right now, today?
Okay, first up, let's talk about the exciting stuff, the potential. Because honestly, when you start to imagine what's possible with AI working for you around the clock, well, it's pretty incredible.
So, AI agents can be a total game changer in a few key areas. First, think about all those repetitive, time-sucking tasks. AI can just handle them, freeing up your team. Then, they can deliver these amazingly personalized interactions for every single customer. You also get these incredible data-driven insights to make way smarter decisions. And when you put it all together, it's just a massive boost to your overall operational efficiency.
But that brings up a really important question, right? If this stuff is so powerful, why do so many AI projects seem to stall out or just fail to get off the ground? Believe me, it's a question we get asked all the time.
And this number, wow, this number really tells the story. 93%. A study from Salesforce found that's the percentage of IT leaders who completely see the value in AI agents. But here's the kicker. Most of them are facing huge hurdles trying to actually deploy them successfully. There's this massive gap between wanting to do it and actually getting it done.
So what's behind that disconnect? Let's break down the common roadblocks we see trip people up on the path to getting AI working.
Yeah, we see these same obstacles pop up time and time again. A big one is just not having the right technical expertise in-house. People who live and breathe ML and NLP. Then you've got data challenges. Poor quality data, siloed data. It's a huge problem because your AI is only as smart as the information you give it. Then there's the nightmare of trying to integrate shiny new tech with your old legacy systems. Plus, a surprising number of projects kick off without any defined objectives or clear KPIs. You're just flying blind. And on top of all that, you have to navigate all the security and ethical concerns.
So the big question is, how can your business successfully bridge that gap? How do you go from this has potential to this is actually making us profit?
Well, this is exactly where having a proven path to success is absolutely crucial. Here at WeblineIndia, we've refined a 5-step process that just works. It all kicks off with AI strategy consulting, making sure the plan is perfectly aligned with your actual business goals. From there, we dive into custom AI agent development, because one-size-fits-all just doesn't cut it. Then we handle the really tricky part, data preparation and management. After that, it's all about seamless integration and deployment. And we don't just disappear. We stick with you for training and ongoing support. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but I know what you're thinking. What about the actual, tangible results? What numbers can you really expect to see? Let's talk about that.
And this is where it gets really, really exciting. I mean, we're not talking about tiny incremental improvements. We're talking about improving customer response times by up to 80%. We're talking about reducing task error rates by 40, even 60%. And for task completion rates, we're targeting over 85%. These aren't just vanity metrics. These are numbers that make a serious impact on your bottom line.
So if you're ready to move past the hype and actually bridge that gap to real-world success for your own business, here's how we can get started. Let's connect. The best place to start is to visit us at WeblineIndia.com. Or you can just send an email straight to our experts at info@WeblineIndia.com. Oh, and definitely follow us on our social channels for more updates. And of course, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on what's next. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if you found this explainer useful, do us a favor and hit that like button and share it with your network. It really helps others discover how to unlock the true power of AI.
We'll catch you in the next one.